Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in. We come to you from Tokyo in Japan, where HP has announced a new convertible business laptop called the Elite Dragonfly. Like the other X360 models that HP sells, the HP Elite Dragon is a convertible, a tablet with a touchscreen display. It is powered by an Intel 8th Gen Core i7 vPro CPU with up to 16 GB of RAM and 2 TB of solid-state storage. What's cool about the new HP Elite Dragonfly is that it weighs less than 1 kilogram. Come late October, HP will ship it with a choice of batteries. The lightweight battery option offers up to 16.5 hours of continuous use, and the larger long life battery offers up to 24.5 hours of continuous use. HP's new convertible also features Wi-Fi 6 and 4x4 LTE connectivity. The Elite Dragonfly convertible employs a CNC mechanized magnesium construction for lightness combined with an oleophobic coating for smudge resistance. The keys on its keyboard have a travel of 1.3 millimeters and are designed to produce lesser noise when typing by up to 20 decibels. The laptop is certified to MIL-STD 810G standards for durability. Despite being a thin and light convertible laptop, the HP Elite Dragonfly offers standard I/O connectivity such as a full-size HDMI port, a USB-A port, and 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. The Elite Dragonfly is expected to be launched in India sometime in November. Its price is expected to be in the neighborhood of about $1,549, which translates to about 1,11,000 rupees. Thanks for watching this quick video of the newly announced HP Elite Dragonfly. For more from the world of technology, you can subscribe to our channel.